because I can't get it to change to my webcam, proper webcam. So I don't know. This could be interesting. Or not, no, actually.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Well, I'm ready whenever.
Okay. I have to spawn myself a torch. No, I have torches, okay? You're recording? You want it to be like in Twilight, like it is? Oh, we picked up.
Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Oh, there it goes.
Which one is that shit? What's up? So die.
What the hell happened? Oh my god. Oh, it's still going.
I'm trying to come around.
I can still see it. That usually went everywhere.
I think that stopped. I think it's. Yep. No, I'm alive. You see that TNT fly everywhere?
Yes, I did. It was amazing. And I'm gonna respawn.
Try to get back to our island. I have died and spawned. Died again because I was like, the ground didn't load, so I actually dropped forever. Yeah, I'm on that island. Oh damn. Look at where's the path was. The other way, other way.
I'm confused. Where am I going? That's that way. Oh, it's on the other side. I see. No, I don't. I'm so very confused. Alright.
This is what the server said. The system can't change, or is this a server overload?
Yeah.
You are up where I am. You see me? Maybe we should have gone a little bit further back.
Maybe it's time. Okay, so we're gonna stop recording now. Again. For the second time.